How to get auto clicker for your Windows. Hi everybody, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to easily get auto clickers for your Windows device. But before we get started, I want you to head down below to give this video a quick thumbs up and make sure to hit the subscribe button as well. Let's start. So the first thing you want to do is head over to your web browser, and here you're going to just search for auto clicker. And once you hit enter, you will get this first link right here of OP Auto Clicker. So just click right here. As you can see here, it is available for your Microsoft, Google Play Store, and for Androids as well. Now you are just going to click on this download option right here, and it will start downloading on your PC. So as you can see here, it will start shortly, and once the timer runs out, it will download your exe file. So go ahead and click on the file location, and you can just double click on it to install the application. Once you do that, it will get up and running like this. And if you want easy access for this, what you can do is go ahead and drag and drop it on your desktop so that whenever you need it, you can just click right here to open up your auto clicker. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found this helpful. I will see you guys next time.